Guys, if you have any LG phone, LG J5, J6, J7, and you have the stylo as well, the 6, the 5, the 7, here what happened? If your phone not charging and not turning on, as if we go to turn the phone on, it's not turning on, and if we go to charge the phone, it's not charging, right? So what you want to do here, you want to hold the volume down and also the power button here, and you want to hold these two buttons together. Let's put in the charger. Hold the buttons together, keep holding, hold the buttons together, keep holding. So as you can see, the phone is coming on there, and not only is the battery at 73%, the phone is charging. So if you have this issue, it's because you have a frozen issue that happened with your motherboard or the phone system in general. Like, some of you don't turn your phone off, and when you don't turn your phone off, energy can build up in the system and cause the motherboard to freeze, and this will create an issue where your phone is not charging and your phone is not turning on. So basically, as I am saying, guys, you can actually use the volume down and the power button to turn your phone on. This is a force restart method, and as you can see, the phone is charging and the phone is turning on. So I hope that this method helped you guys out, and I do recommend that you restart your phone once per week, at least or twice per week. Just restart your phone. When you restart your phone, you refresh your phone system. Yeah, I know a lot of you guys have a lot of app running in the background and a lot of different internet pages open, notifications, email, and this will slow down the phone system over time. Like, your phone is working continuously month after month, you need to restart your phone in between. I hope that this was helpful. Do like, share, and subscribe and all of that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one.